Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at the Las Palmas away shirt for the 24-25 season. I'm not sure actually how you pronounce their name. The shirt was purchased from bestzv1.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. I doubt that I'll be able to find a dhgate link from my usual seller for this shirt, but what I'll do is I'll just find a random shirt from them and I'll leave a link for that. And then obviously you can search what other items they've got, should there be any that interest you. The shirt itself comes in a standard bag. On the flip side, there is, again, it's just a plain bag actually. You can see there, this is size 20. It's a kid's one, so you get the shirt and the shorts of it. When you purchase from bestzv1.com, you do not get socks of it like you do when you buy from the usual dhgate seller that I use. If you are new around here, make sure you like and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions, and messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. As I said, the seller for this one is bestzv1.com, and I will leave the seller's details in the description of this video. So you can see this one is for my little lad. He's got his name and his usual number 10 on the back of the shirt. So what we'll do now is we'll get this shirt out of the bag and we'll take a look at the Las Palmas away shirt for the 24-25 season. Okay, we're on the front of the shirt. It's got a proper collar on it. Actually, the joins, or the end should I say, not too bad actually. A little bit of loose cotton there, but not too bad. Instead of a button, you've got a popper just there. It's obviously going to make it nice and easy for putting it on my little lad's head. Got some chevrons up there, they've been heat pressed on. And on this sleeve, I assume that's the badge of the league, and that's been heat pressed on as well. Sleeve sponsor, heat pressed on, Calice. And the Las Palmas badge has also been heat pressed on. Actually, to be fair, everything's heat pressed on, no embroidery or anything. Hummel, heat pressed on, likewise the sponsor, which is Gran Canaria. At the bottom, you do have 1949 to 2024. So, just going to jump back to the badge. Is that how long they've been going then? So 75 years, is that then? And then over here, you have the Hummel Authentic Apparel with a code since 1923. Again, heat pressed on. Stitching all looks good on there. I do like the blue and the yellow. I think it looks really nice together actually. Yeah, that's looking as tidy as can be. Let's give you that final look at the outside, which I think looks absolutely outstanding. Now this is where the shirt for me just jumps out and oozes absolutely like immenseness. It looks absolutely quality. You've got the collar at the back there, then you've got the Deezer with a bird. But again, look at that colour, the blue and the yellow just sit so nice together. And obviously we've got his name on the back of this one. That's all been heat pressed on. And we have number 10. The reason I always go for number 10 is his birthday is the 10th. So I think it just looks quite nice. And then, what's this? Isle Canaries. So is that the Isles of Canaries? Canary Islands, we call it. Latitude de Vida. Again, all heat pressed on. It feels so smooth. But I think that, from the back, looks absolutely amazing. Oh, I didn't notice that down there. What's this? Be cool. And again, that's been heat pressed on nicely. A little loose thread down there, but nothing to be too worried about. Just to zoom out and we'll give you the full look of the back of the shirt, which I think this looks so nice. The blue and the yellow just go so well together. Hopefully when he's got it on, he'll absolutely adore this one. I'm sure he will. So with this one, I mentioned at the start, you do get a pair of shorts. And they are just the yellow shorts. You've got the chevrons that we had on the front of the shirt down there. You've then got the number 10, which has been heat pressed on, and the crest, again, heat pressed on just there. This side, we have the Hummel. Shorts come with a drawstring, so that you can obviously make them a little bit tighter, should they need be. But these look really smart. Just flip it over to look at the back. There's anything on the back of them. No, just a plain yellow. But again, the blue and the yellow just stands out absolutely amazing together. he does like wearing his shorts, so I'm sure once he's got these ones on and he's got the shirt on as well, he's going to be absolutely delighted. I'll just give you that final look at the shorts, and then we'll jump to the inside of the shirt. Okay, we're on the inside of the shirt. We'll start with the tag. Got the Hummel, the size 20. Now Charlie's 4, so this one will fit him absolutely perfect. So for 4 to 5 year olds, size 20 is the one to go for. Here you can see the little clip that we've got. We do have some washing instructions down here. So my recommendation with this one, because everything is all heat pressed on, do not tumble dry it. Wash it inside out. Make sure you have it on a hand wash setting. Otherwise, all the stuff that's on there will start peeling off. If you wash it, as I've said, they will last a good amount of time. I know it's a lot harder with the kids' shirts because they tend to like spill food down them and everything. But Charlie's got shirts now that are probably 2 or so years old, and they're as good today as the day he got them because we look after them when we wash them. Also, do not iron them, just let them hang dry. And then once they've dried, it will shape perfectly. Do not iron. Okay, there's the final part of the inside of the shirt. Again, you've got the Hummel size 20 at the top there. His name is printed here and the number 10. No creases or anything in the way that that's been put on. The only creases that you see down here are just where the shirt's been in the bag. So nothing to worry about at all. Looks absolutely amazing. Nothing to really call out on this one. But there you have the inside of this shirt. Right, and there is your Las Palmas away shirt for the 24-25 season from bestzv1.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. It is a child's one. I had a few people asked recently for a children's shirt, and equally Charlie's been asking for another one for a while, so that's why we've gone for this one. He chose a shirt that was blue and yellow, and this was the one that we picked him. I think the home one's yellow with blue on it, but he prefers more the blue. I doubt I'll be able to find a link to a dhgate seller, but I will leave a link anyway to a shirt of some form from my usual dhgate seller, so then you can search what items they've got. If you have enjoyed this one, please like the video and subscribe if you're new. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But as I said, the seller for this one is bestzv1.com. All details for the seller in the description of this video. And there is our final look at the shirt. I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.